what they're doing for the beach access to try to basically effectively pull the plug on these big spring break gatherings, I think is the right way to go.
Both cities are ordering bars and restaurants to close by 10 p.m. They're also now required to operate at 50% capacity.
Tonight, many of you are at home wondering, no doubt, what about the bars and the restaurants here in the Bay Area? What will happen to them? Will they be forced to close at a certain time or have a curfew? 8 on Your Side's Justin Shecker joining us now live in downtown Tampa.
Well, there are no new restrictions or curfews here in downtown Tampa, Rod and Mel, but I'm told the mayor of Tampa and her staff are aware of those new guidelines from the CDC. And their conversation on ways to contain this virus and limit large gatherings will continue in the morning. Do you think bars and restaurants should shut down temporarily to help contain this virus?
I'm actually surprised they haven't already. I'm surprised that I can still go.
Bella Ayanada's mom tells 8 on Your Side it should be up to each individual business.
I wouldn't want to tell the businesses what they should or shouldn't do.
Tonight, Florida's governor says he isn't convinced that all bars and restaurants in the Sunshine State should shut down, but he says he's open to other ideas that promote social distancing.
Areas in the country, you've seen municipalities say, there needs to be a certain amount of distance between each table, maybe have a 50% limit in terms of the restaurant.
While out with her family this afternoon in Ybor City, this Eckerd College student had gloves and
I have hand sanitizer, which is really hard to find.
She's headed home to Northern Virginia for spring break, not knowing when she'll come back to Tampa Bay.
As a mom, I'm just glad to have my kids under my roof.
Becky Ayanada says only about 25 people got on her flight to Tampa.
And they had us do 2 or 3 rows apart.
When it comes to the spread of coronavirus, her daughter says she's concerned the most about a family member with an autoimmune disease.
I'm worried for them. I'm worried that I'll catch it and then spread it. So that as a young person, I'm not worried for myself, I'm worried for other people.
And the federal government's infectious disease expert, Dr. Anthony Fauci, says Americans should be prepared to hunker down more than they're doing right now. And that especially goes for the elderly and those with underlying health conditions. Live tonight in downtown Tampa, I'm Justin Shecker, 8 on Your Side.